One of the benefits of using PipeDrive is that all your customer interactions and data are stored in one place. But because of that, it's important to be able to segment and filter this data, especially as it grows, right? Well, that's where filtering comes in. So in this video, we'll take you through the process of creating filters, setting up filter conditions, clearing and deleting filter conditions, and creating favorite filters. Additionally, we'll also provide some insights into common use case scenarios when it comes to filtering. And while you can apply basic filtering in the pipeline view and projects and calendar view and such, I personally find filtering most powerful when it's used in the list view for your leads, deals, contacts, activities, projects, and products. We do offer a range of preset filters, but of course you can also create your own custom filters tailored to your specific needs. When adding a new filter, you'll get this window here where you can add conditions and specify your filtering criteria. Now there are two types of filter conditions, all and any. In all conditions, every bit of criteria must be met. Otherwise, nothing's going to appear in your filtering results. In any conditions, at least one criteria must be met, in addition to any of the all conditions. For example, if you place two competing conditions in the all section, it'll yield no results since a single item can't fulfill contradictory criteria. Shifting these conditions to the any section would broaden your results to include items that meet either criteria. You can also mix and match different item fields within a filter to fully harness the connections of the custom fields that you've established in PipeDrive. Then you have the option to name your filter and define its visibility. You can keep it to yourself just so you're not cluttering up other people's filter dropdown with your own filter, or you can share it with other users if this is actually going to be useful to them. When creating a filter, you can also save the selected columns in the list view within it. Enabling this feature saves the columns displayed in your list view in this same filter along with any of the filter conditions. So next time when you click on this same filter, your list of columns will rearrange to display the exact information you requested. If a filter is set to be shared and save selected columns within this filter is enabled, other users can access your filter and the associated list view columns. Now let's explore some practical filtering scenarios. There's View Won and Lost Deals. To see both won and lost deals, use the any condition instead of all, as an item obviously can't be both won and lost simultaneously. Then there's Deals Created Before This Month. This filter displays deals created before the current month, adapting to changing timeframes as time progresses. Then we have Contacts with Linked Deals. Note though that this filter applies to your open deals only. Additional conditions are required if you want to look at deals that are won, lost, or deleted. Then we have a filter for rotten deals. And this is related to the rotten feature inside of the pipeline view where you can say how many days should go by with no activity happening on a deal before it gets sort of flagged as rotten or in need of attention. Next up, we have filter by specific label. You can filter for labels even if you're not in the corresponding items list. And then there's Contacts with Email Addresses. This filter reveals people with values in the email field. So this is a good way to see which people have actual contact information you can reach out to. And you can also filter data by team members. Easily filter deals or contacts owned by a particular user using their personal filter, or creating a custom filter based on the user criteria. But keep in mind, while you can use up to 16 filter conditions, we recommend sticking to 9 in order to maintain optimal loading speed. But if you frequently use a particular filter, consider adding it to your favorites for quick access. To do so, open a filter dropdown, hover over it, and click that star. Your favorite filters will be conveniently accessible under the Favorites tab in the filter dropdown. And to remove existing filters, click on the Filters dropdown, switch to Owners, Everyone. And if you wish to delete a filter, hover over it, click on the pencil icon, and select the Delete option. And there you have it! Go ahead and give it a try. Your newfound filtering skills will enhance your PipeDrive experience.